Hello everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're excited to present a video on the top 5 robot vacuums of 2023. These robots are designed to make cleaning a breeze, offering advanced features such as navigation, self-emptying, and efficient cleaning. Let's dive in and start this video. Number 1. The Roborock S8 Plus. A true game changer in the world of cleaning robots is now available. The S8 Plus smoothly navigates your home, providing thorough cleaning with accuracy and efficiency, thanks to its innovative dual-sensor navigation system and multi-floor mapping feature. This robot vacuum adapts to different surfaces smoothly, showing strong performance on various floor types including wood floors. The S8 Plus is ideal for large or multi-level homes because of its advanced navigation capabilities, which reduce the need for manual intervention between floors. Priced at around $800, it provides outstanding value while delivering top-tier features that set it apart in a competitive market. Consider the Roborock S8 Plus for a cleaning companion that combines cutting-edge technology with versatility. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and stay tuned as we explore more top-notch cleaning robots. Number 2. The Roborock Q5. The Q5 Plus cleaning robots come with a cutting-edge laser nav system that ensures efficient cleaning path planning and avoiding barriers. Their quick processing speeds enable faster job completion without sacrificing effectiveness. The Q5 and Q5 Plus are ideal choices for customers looking for robots with excellent navigation skills, especially in homes with a lot of furniture and obstacles. These robots, which cost around $400, provide a cost-effective yet advanced solution for a simple and precise cleaning experience. Consider the Roborock Q5 and Q5 Plus to be trustworthy helpers in keeping your home clean. Let us know what you think in the comments, and let's look into more cleaning robots together. Then, meet the iRobot Roomba J7, a tech-savvy user's dream. This cutting-edge robot vacuum includes an emptying dustbin, as well as a self-washing, drying, and refilling mop, separates it in the world of smart home cleaning. The J7 also has AI-powered avoidance of obstacles, which allows for intelligent navigation and efficient cleaning. But that's not all. This versatile robot also functions as a security camera with two-way audio for added functionality. The Roomba J7, which costs around $850, is an extensive smart home solution. The iRobot Roomba J7 is a top contender for those looking for the pinnacle of creativity in their cleaning routine. Number 4, we have the Miele Scout RX2 Home Vision. A sleek and efficient cleaning solution, priced around $600, is now available. This robot vacuum gets high marks for its outstanding flexibility and impressive cleaning abilities, picking up 98% of dry material on empty surfaces. Aside from its cleaning abilities, the RX2 Home Vision has a sleek design and simple maintenance features. Customers should consider this robot for its efficient cleaning performance and effortless flexibility, which was designed with busy households in mind. At last, we have iRobot Roomba S9 Plus, a powerhouse in the world of cleaning robots. Packed with features, this robot vacuum is a game changer for users seeking convenience and top-notch performance. The standout self-emptying feature adds a layer of unmatched convenience to your cleaning routine. Paired with its powerful cleaning performance and advanced mapping capabilities, the Roomba S9 Plus is tailor-made for large homes or pet owners. Consider this robot as your cleaning ally, effortlessly tackling dirt and debris while providing the convenience you need. The price is $10.90. These robot vacuums offer a range of features such as advanced navigation, self-emptying, and efficient cleaning, catering to different needs and preferences of customers. We hope you found this video informative and helpful in your search for the perfect robot vacuum. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos.